Hi guys, welcome. Happy Friday. Here is your Saxon lesson for Friday, September 25th. Okay, this is lesson 14. Yesterday we learned some new terms. We learned the word initial, medial, and final. If something is initial, where is it at? That means it's at the beginning. Very good. If something is final, where is it at? At the end. Very good. Then there is something that is medial, and medial is anywhere between the initial and the final sounds. So the initial letter of the alphabet we said is A, and the final letter in the alphabet is Z. And everything in between A and Z are considered the medial letters, right? So how many letters are there in the alphabet? There's 26 letters. Very good. And which alphabet do we use? We use the Roman or Latin alphabet. What are two kinds of letters in the alphabet? We have vowels and consonants. Very good. Must every word contain a consonant? No. Every word does not have to include a consonant, but it does have to include a vowel. Very good. All right, so let's review our letter cards, picture cards, and sight word cards. I'll show you, you say them, okay? This is called what? Diagraph CK. Diagraph TH. Diagraph SH. Very good. All right, now for our picture cards. Here we go. Repeat after me. Apple, A. Acorn, A. Pay attention to the coding. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, E. Icicle, I. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, A. Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, R. Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Fox, X. Duck, K. Feather, Z. Thimble, Th. Shark, Sh. Very good. Shark, Sh is the last one that we learned, and that one is a diagraph. Remember that, okay? All right, and our sight word cards. You ready? Very good. Okay, moving on. Take out your high spelling and high frequency word practice 14. It looks like this. It says 14 at the top. Now we're going to quickly review our spelling cards. What that means, I am going to tell you the sounds of the cards. They're these cards, and you're going to have to write the sounds down on the paper, okay? So, let's see. Here we go. Let's start. Number 1, you're going to write apple. And I'll show you my paper towards the end just to make sure that you have the same thing. Elephant. Inch. Octopus. Umbrella. acorn. Equal. Icicle. Overalls. Unicorn. Balloon. Okay, stop there so I can show you. If you need to pause the video, you can go ahead and pause it now. Moving on, number 12. Dog. Fish. Goat. Hat. Jar. 17, lion. 18, kite. Cat. And here's a new one, duck. So we have kite, that's a K, and then a comma, cat, that's a C with a back on it, comma, duck, and that's CK, diagraph CK underlined with the C crossed out. So that looks like this. K, comma, C with a back on it, comma, CK underlined with the C crossed out. Moving on. 19, monkey. 20, nest. 21, pig. 22, rabbit. 23, sun. 24, tent. 25, vest. 26, wagon. 27, yarn. 28, zebra. 29, fox. It's an X. 30, feather. Is that voiced? It is voiced. Make sure you have a line through it. Make sure it's underlined. It's a diagraph. And then we have thimble. Is that voiced? No, that's just a diagraph, so it's underlined. And 32 is shark. How do we code that? Underlined, so make sure it's underlined. Miss, you said there's 33. You only said 32. I know. That's because we're going to learn a new one right now, and then I'll expect you to write that new one down. Okay? So this is how your paper should look so far. If you need time to write this down or make sure you have it all, you can go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, moving on. I want you to flip your paper over to the back right here, and then we're going to start with the review words right there. Okay, so next to number 1, I want you to write the word shop. I like to shop. I actually do like to shop. It's one of my favorite things. All right, shop. How do we spell it? S-H-O-P. Very good. Next to number 2, I want you to write the word shut. Shut the door. How do you spell it? S-H-U-T. Very good. Number 3, I want you to write the word wish. Wish. W-I-S-H. Very good. Wish. Make sure you write that down. All right, now let's practice some sight words. Next to number 4, I want you to write the word love. I love you. L-O-V-E. Good job. Number 5, of. O-F. Number 6, one. O-N-E. Your paper should look like mine. Okay. Now, we're not going to write anything in the new words yet because we still have to learn the practice we're going to do for that. So, let's see. Echo these words and listen to the sounds in the initial position of the words. Initial, that means the beginning position. So we have the word chin, chat, chop. Say them. Chin, chat, chop. What sound do you hear in the beginning? Or in the initial position? Ch, ch, Very good. Okay, let's look at these words and figure out what two letters is making the ch sound. What two letters is making the ch sound? C and H. Very good. Does anyone know what these are called? They are called a diagraph because they are two letters that come together to make one sound. Ch is the English pronunciation for diagraph CH. We will be discussing some other pronunciations of this diagraph in a later lesson. How do we code diagraphs again? We underline them. Very good. We underline them. So here our diagraphs are CH. So go through and underline your diagraph CH. All right. How do we, is there any other codings? Yes, there is. How do we know? We have to code the vowels. What are the vowels, long or short? They are short, so we code them with a breve. How do we know that these vowels are short? Because they are followed by a consonant. So we're going to put a breve on each of those vowels. Who can read this word? Let's read these words together. Chin, chat, chop. Very good. All right, very good. Put your hand next to your throat and feel this sound. This sound is not voiced, so the voice box does not vibrate, so it's not voiced. All right, so whenever we see this new card, letter card, we are going to say diagraph CH. Everybody try that. Diagraph CH. Very good. All right, and we also have a new word for diagraph CH. I'm going to give you clues and I want you to guess what this picture is, okay? The new keyword for diagraph CH is something that we eat. It is yellow, it is creamy, and it can smell stinky sometimes. What is it called? Cheese. Very good. So whenever we see this card, we're going to say cheese, ch. Try it. Cheese, ch. Very good. The key word is cheese. All right. When you see this, or get out your spelling and high frequency word practice sheet, and let's go ahead and practice writing cheese, ch, next to number 33, that one that was left blank over here. So for next to number 33 over here, we're going to write cheese, ch. That's the new diagraph we've learned today. So CH, underline it to show that it is a diagraph. Very good. All right, now let's practice spelling new words with diagraph CH. So put your finger next to number 7, and I want you to write the word chin. Your chin. C-H-I-N. Excellent. Next to number 8, I want you to write the word ranch. Ranch. How do you spell it? R-A-N-C-H. Number 9, lunch. Lunch. How do you spell it? L-U-N-C-H. Excellent job. So your paper should look like mine. And then I want you to read all these words. Let's read them together. Me, such, went, with, just, much, jump, still. And then write the words next to it just once. All right, before we move on and do the worksheet side, let's practice how to code some of these words that have this special diagraph CH. So I'm going to write these 3 words. Oh, actually, they're not all ch, they're 4 words. Okay? And we are going to work together to find out how to code them. So let's look at this one, the first one. It says chimp. What's the first thing we need to do? We need to underline diagraph CH. Very good. What do we do the vowel? What do we do to the vowel? We code the vowel with a breve. Very good. All right. Is there anything else we need to do to the word chimp? No, there is not. That's all. So let's read it together. Chimp. Very good. Let's look at the next word. The next word, there's a diagraph. What's the diagraph? CK. Let's underline diagraph CK. What do we do to the C? Cross it out. What do we do with the vowel A? Breathe. What's your word? Stack. Say stack. Very good. How about this word? What's this word? Long vowel sound, so it needs a macron, and then an accent at the end because you say hi, so the I is loud. All right, how about basket? That's a VCCV word. You have to put the division line between the two consonant C's. And then do we code the vowels? Of course we do, with a what? Breathe. Very good, because they are followed by consonants. S is a consonant and T is a consonant. Let's say the word basket. What's louder and stronger, bass or kit? Bass. Very good. So you put an accent mark right there. Okay, those are our 3 words. Very good. All right, so this is what you're going to do. Let me just make sure I got everything. Yep. Okay, so you are going to go ahead and code these words, match them with the picture that they belong to, read these few sentences, answer the questions, and do the same on the back. You're going to take a picture of the front and the back and turn it in to me. Guys, I am taking grades. Some of you guys aren't doing this. You're not sending it to me, and you are getting zeros. So please make sure you are doing these daily, okay? Whenever I put it up there, you have to do it. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Have fun learning. See you later. Bye.